Keyboard I got 7 months ago is already not working. It's so nice and new, and it has a volume knob, but when I try to press this key, nothing happens. And this key, and F7 too. Wow, this is so frustrating. I spent all my money on this new keyboard thinking that it would last me for like another 10 years like my old keyboard, but I guess I got swindled or whatever. Surely I can email them and ask them. Wow, I've been emailing with them for 6, 7 months now, and it's because I've had the keyboard for over 12 months. I can't get a refund. Oh no. This is awful. I'll have to get a whole new keyboard even though I'm covered under their warranty. And I spent all my money on this nice keyboard, and now I don't have any money to spend it on my old keyboard. Wow, I guess I just have to keep using this keyboard. Wow, I've been using this keyboard for like ever, and it still sucks. And I'm wearing the same shirt for some reason, and I look very similar, even though a lot of time has passed. Wow, I can't take it anymore. This keyboard fucking sucks. I'm gonna go throw it away. Wow, this thing is really useful.